Hello everyone, I'm Little K. Today we get into the matching. This is a table I made a mate. It was because of this before. This data simulated by Westvic. I have already made it in advance. So let's talk about this table. There is already one. Okay, let's take a look. We open the software. I opened the software first, and the software opened. We click on this. Setup. What about the setting? There are 4 large tabs in total. The first tab is called Show File Settings. Some of the action settings for the show. The second is the setting of the empty platform. The third is user settings. The fourth is network settings. Then we are the first one under the show file. Page and fixture. This is the accessory boarding. A table of it. We click in. After clicking in, it appeared one such box after another. It's called the name of Cheng. There happens to be a picture here as well. Us. You can take a look. The logo becomes the name. There are some more features here as well. Add, delete, guide, copy. Then we are the first. We see our table. This table, it reads. The first light library called Arcos software was empty. Then let's copy this Arcos. We paste it on. Camp to call Vacos. -12 are empty. I'm not sure. We roll it out. You see, it's just a name. It is sub-item under its name. That's the light library we want to match. The light library we want to match. We can find out. Then let's copy this one. In fact, it is not necessary. It was just talked about in this place. Let's right-click to go in. After right-clicking, this one is the built-in library. Lamp library files. This one is for regular lights. DMX channel 1. We click in. This is what we call. And then we found what we just had on our form. Pool multiplied by -1.1. Called. Let's look for it. -1.1. There are 2 here. I should have exported one. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. After selecting it, click Import. This one appears after importing. This interface. What about this interface? The first one. Categories of lamps. Because we have selected the category of luminaires. Therefore, the black part cannot be changed. This is the name of the lamp. It doesn't matter if you change it or not. Number of lamps. We have a total of 8. Registered ID. Let's see what my ID is. IDs are 1 to 8. Then start with 1. ID is 1. The address code is 1.1. 1.1 starts with 1.1. It doesn't matter. Then click apply at this time. After apply, you will find. You see, 1.1 to 1.302. Its IDs 1 to 8. There is nothing wrong with our data. Now we are going to have a second passenger control. The second is the ride-on control. You find it exactly the same. It's just its ID number. It is different from its address code. This time it was 4. We write again under this second line. AKOS 4. Okay. This time we don't have to go into the library file again. There is already a cached light library here. It is the light library we just chose. We hit it. We have 4 this time. Its ID is from 9. Then this one is from 2.1. Let's see if it's right. Right to start 2.1. From 9. And then we are sure. Match. You see 2.1 to 2.130. IDs are 9 to 12. 9 to 12 2.130. The third one is different. Call the master. Masterful. 1.11 unit. Address code 1.450. Alright. Then let's continue to do it behind him. It is also possible to do it in the first place. It doesn't matter if you start over again. Then we are here to prepare. We chose Arcos. Masterful 1.1. Found it. This is the name of the manufacturer. Register the name mode. Then here is also the name of the manufacturer, the name of the board. Here is the plate talisman. From a USB flash drive is also good, or from the internal hard drive. Here it is shown as an internal hard drive. We find this masterful. Let's take a look. Yes, that's it. Let's click to import. One ID is 13. Then its address code. Just now we saw how much. 1.450. Then enter 1.450. 1 represents line 1. The dot number is followed by the address code of the registration. 1.450. 1.450 is the 450th of the first line. This 450 address code. Click apply. Then we're done. The mating of this item. Our second beam, 330 beam. If you don't have a light library, you can WeChat me. I send it to you. A total of 28 3.1s. This is although separate, but its total number is 36. Let's look for the beam 330. Let's write 330 first. BEAN. The name is casual. Point determined. Then from the library file, go inside the library file. Then remove the manufacturer's name. It's called 330. Then 330. There really is. You certainly don't, because I imported this light library myself. 18 channels. Then it's 1. Let's click to import. From 3.1. I remember it right just now. Should start with 3.1. Then there are a total of 36 units. 36 is right. 36 apply. From 14 to 49. Oh no. This. It is an ID from 30. Then we did it wrong. What to do after doing it wrong? That's just right. We can see how to modify the ID. The ID is not from 14. For example, we are wrong now. We select this ID. Click on the gray area. When it all becomes blue in the box, right-click and enter 30. It will automatically arrange it for you. 30 to 65. That's still not right. 36 units. Let's come one by one. Start with 28 units 3.1. We cut it out, as we just saw. In this legend. Which is the delete key? This is the delete key. Then we choose. All the lights. Just click. All become this blue frame vertical. We click to delete. It's gone. We do it again. Or this light library. This time 3.1 starts. 30 starts. There are 28 units in total. We follow this. Come on. 28 units. Then click apply. Then to 57. To 3.487. To 3.487. 57. That's right. Okay. The second. 18 units. I know why it's wrong. I am wrong in this total. It should be 46 units. It's stupid. This is my elementary school. It is taught by physical education teachers. Okay. We choose the second group. Right-click. Still this lamp. At this time, we selected 18 units. 4.1 start apply. That's right. To 75. 58 to 75. 58. "18 units. That could be me again. I remember it wrong. It should be 58 to 75. That 4.307. Let's see if it's up to 4.307. 4.307. Yes. That's my own numbering is wrong. The numbering is wrong. We are ready. After this group, let's order the second group. The second group is the botched lead staining. Clip key. Flag waving. Boss 20. Then I know. Then I enter. Clip key. White starting bar 20. I write this for my better identification. I can recognize this lamp. I have to be sure. Then I went inside this light garage. We find this C. This manufacturer is called Klipiki. Then Quenti. What about multi-channel? This lamp? This light should be 20 channels. There are 30 units in total. 30 units. Then let's find it. Here's the pattern. Let's take a look. The pattern is right to 109. Okay, this is it. 30 units of 20 channels from 5.1. 30 units. Quantity 30. Address code 5.1. But its ID number is from 80. 80. 80 to 109. Decode 6.81. 80 to 109. 6.81. You see it all right. It must be right. No, I can answer it. Then it will definitely go wrong. Then let's look at the second set of lights. The fourth set of lights. LED phase light. 64. 64. Then let's play 64. It's just a name. Then here we are. Like this, there is a clearance here. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. 64. Is it 6 channels? 64. 48 units. Ah. It should be 3 channels. 3 channels. How can a 6 channel be written here? 64 phase lamp. 48 times 6. I'll look at the 6 channel one first, right? I'm too lazy to count. I picked one. Import. 48 units. ID from 140 starts. 149.1. 149.1 begins. Oh, I see if it's right. How to jump so much. 9.1 start. 140 starts. 48 apply. The last one should be 187. 187, that's right. 9.283. Oh, it's true, it's really this. Okay, let's see the next one. Long strip effect light. LED. Pixel bar. This word must be my own light library. We paste. Okay. Then we still look for it from the inside. We find this pixel bar. You see, 8S. XST. Can find it. How many units? Wrong point. How many do we watch? 69 units. 19 starts. 10.1. 69 units. 19 starts. 10.1. This is all right. You see, 69 units. 19 starts. 10.1 start. Let's click apply. 19 to 258. The address code is 10.205. Right, 258 is not wrong. Okay. 4-eye light. What is the name of the light library of the 4-eyed lamp? It won't really be called 4 eyes. I can't type Chinese. I'll give it a try. 4. Definitely have an eye. To be sure. Then we write the input here. 4 bar eyes. There really is. I must have written this myself. I saved it to this light gallery inside. Then export. This one definitely starts with 11.1. 11.1 start. 59 units. 260 started. 260 starts. Wrong export. 260. 11.1. I forgot about this number again. 59. 59. Apply. The last one should be 31,811.117. 31,811.117. That's right. Because I made some cameras in that suite. So, I made a simple light library in the camera. Camera 3. It is 3 dimmers in 3 channels. I'll match one first. This. There it is. You can put it here. Because of the manufacturer name of the lamp library I wrote. The name of the lamp is the same, so I don't care about writing here. The books are all the same here. Let's take a look at this. It says 320 starts. 12.1 starts. 320 starts. 12.1 starts. A total of 5 units apply. And the middle one is definitely different. The middle one is the LED strip. Light strip. LED 3. Copy it. A 400 is 12.16. I guess this is possible. Why is it like this? I guess I was making this model at that time. I may have made a model wrong. LED 3. How could there be so many? Add LED 3 to the factory. Found it. 12.16. 400 units. Then, to the camera. And then, to the camera. I don't have to go in and look for it. There is a camera here. What about the camera? Let's flip through it. 325 starts. 12.19 starts. 12.19. 325 starts. Apply. The last one. Here is the beam again. Maybe I added 20 more beams separately at that time. 20 more beams were added to this simulation. So to do simulation is willful. Add lights if you want. It doesn't cost money. Okay, let's attach a little. 20 units. 340 starts. 330. Bonim. Okay. Fine, this is 330. 330 here. 340 starts. This should start in 13.1. 20 units. 20 accessories. The last one is 13.343. 13.343. That's right. ID number to 359. That's right. Okay, there is one more. There is also an axis. Then let's give it a name called MA. Just MA. What about this axis? It should be MA space L. No need to finish the file. Just hit L. It should be MA lighting. The longest and longest. This 18 channel. I made a couple of some axes. So I used this accessories for a while. What about this? This amount, oh, the number of this is 20, starting at 360, 13 o'clock. Oh, the address, not 13 o'clock, the address, should start at 14:1. Ah, I might be mistaken here. 360 starts. 360. 20 units. Starting at 14:1. Apply. Off. After the inspection, we are all done, and when we are done, we will click yes after inserting it. This is one of our matches. Our mating is finished. The mating may have taken a little longer because it is relatively numerous. There are also more things. Here are these tools. Add layers. Delete layers. Cut. Copy. Import and export. Let's talk about these now. Some of the functions in this layer. This registration ID. It is right-click to make changes. The name can also be changed by right-clicking. The category of lamps is used to replace the light library. Replace the light library. Here is its address code. The same goes for address codes. Select these right-clicks. After right-clicking, here you can choose the output line. Then you may choose here. You can also right-click to enter an address code directly or enter an address code for a separate one. You can change it. Let's go a little further because this is Arcos. So some of the later functions are not shown. We need to change to a 330 and turn back. There is a response master here. That is to say, in the case of a hit on, you pull the master. If your light is on in the actuator, destroy it, the lamp will go out. If you miss it, there is none. When you pull down the master control, this thing in this actuator of yours, these light source, it will not perish. The next x-axis reversal. Reversal of the x-axis. The next y-axis reversal. Y-axis reversal. This is the encoder for x. Encoder for the y-axis. This exchange, etc. This is the initial color. This one is followed by a pulse. These are some of the 5 light fixtures. It's high and low coordinates. Because we haven't reached the hanging lights yet, so it shows all zeros when we finish the stage chapter. The data here will be available. Okay, this mating today. That's it. Click yes like this. Okay. Thank you.